At the University of Maryland Medical Center, we're helping students in West Baltimore answer that age-old question of, what do you want to be when you grow up? Edmondson Westside High School may look like your typical public school, but step inside and you'll find something very unique.
And pull it and keep it above my waist and then put it on the table.
This is the operating room simulation lab in the surgical technician training program.
The goal of this program is to educate our children to prepare them to become surgical technicians in the hospital in the world of work. It prepares them for life. We want our children to have certification so that once they graduate, they can graduate and immediately find employment.
So the surgical tech is critical in the flow of an operation, and they're getting the right instruments at the right time, being prepared and being efficient.
Normally you have to go to maybe a community college or some kind of trade school to get this knowledge and this education. But partnering with the University of Maryland has made it possible for kids in high school to go through an accredited program to get it a different way.
Students first learn in the classroom. Then they're in the sim lab, built by the University of Maryland Medical Center, so they can train with all the tools, including a high-tech mannequin. And finally, they step inside a real operating room and must be part of 120 cases at the University of Maryland.
I love being in the OR because they let me do a lot. Like, they let me pass instruments and set up tables and stuff, so I feel like a real, surge tech.
Just one of 3 high school surgical tech training programs on the East Coast. This one includes real-life operating room experiences that began when a current surgical tech at the medical center became interested in community engagement.
The Edmondson High School Surge Tech program represents a fundamental commitment we have as the University of Maryland medical system to our community and demonstrates our commitment to workforce development.
With this, it gives them something to look forward to, a living, a career. So my goal is to every kid to come in the program is to get them certified and in the real world to a real job.
So helping train our community to come work with us, to care for our community, it's a wonderful combination.
Davon and Makai are both graduates of the program and work every day inside busy operating rooms. Davon with orthopedics and Makai with transplant.
When I graduated, I moved up into the program. We started off as interns. Then we came in, I got hired. They offered me a position.
I 100% think that this surgical tech program, really changes people's lives, the perspective of people's lives, the things you go through, things you can get,
I like learning. So I think that's the best part, just seeing it hands-on. I think that's the best part, the hands-on experience.
It's an education and hands-on experience that is exposing students to what they want to do in the future.
I want to be a spine surgeon, just like most of my mentors, Dr. Ludwig, Dr. Sanser, really excellent people, and, I've been in their clinics, and they go from, I see patients that come in, terrible, take them to the OR, and the next time you see them, they're like, I love this guy, I can't, what I'm saying, it's just amazing, so I want to go to this medical school, so, I'll keep my fingers crossed. I know there's a lot of smart people out there, very hard competition, and hopefully I can be in the running.
I want to get certified and work at UMMC for 2 years and then go back to school to be a medical school because I want to be a surgeon.